دیدی کسی رو ببینی و ندونی به انگلیسی چطوری شروع به صحبت کنی؟ این ویدیو مخصوص شروع مکالمه انگلیسیه. جملات طبیعی و کوتاه که فوراً میتونی استفاده کنی. فقط گوش کن و تکرار کن. به این تکنیک میگم شدویینگ که سریع ترین راه برای روون صحبت کردن به انگلیسیه. تا چند دقیقه دیگه خودت با مکالمه هایی که برگرفته از موقعیت های واقعی زندگیه به راحتی انگلیسی حرف میزنی. راستی اگه میتونی با صدای بلند تکرار کن.
Hi, I'm Emma. Hi, I'm Emma.
Hi, Emma. I'm Omar. Hi, Emma. I'm Omar.
Hello there, I'm Ben. Hello there, I'm Ben. What's your name? What's your name?
I'm Nora. I'm Nora.
Nice to meet you, Nora. Nice to meet you, Nora.
Hi, I'm Tom. Hi, I'm Tom.
Hi, Tom. I'm Anna. Hi, Tom. I'm Anna. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. Are you a friend of Mark's? Are you a friend of Mark's?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am. We go to college together. We go to college together.
Hello, Yuki. Hello, Yuki. Are you from Thailand? Are you from Thailand?
No, actually, I'm from Japan. No, actually, I'm from Japan.
Oh, sorry, Japan. Oh, sorry, Japan. What do you do there? What do you do there?
لایک و سابسکرایب یادت باشه. مرسی که هستی.
I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. I teach science. I teach science.
That's great. That's great. So, do you live in Tokyo? So, do you live in Tokyo?
Yes, that's right. Yes, that's right.
Hello, my name is Carlos Rivera. Hello, my name is Carlos Rivera.
Hello, pleased to meet you. Hello, pleased to meet you. My name's Mina Tanaka. My name's Mina Tanaka.
Pleased to meet you too. Pleased to meet you too. So, Sophia, where are you from? So, Sophia, where are you from?
I'm from Italy. I'm from Italy.
Great. What do you do there? Great. What do you do there?
I'm a nurse. I'm a nurse.
Really? Really? And where do you live? And where do you live?
In Rome. It's the capital. In Rome. It's the capital.
Nice to meet you, Alex. Nice to meet you, Alex. So, where are you from? So, where are you from?
I'm from Canada. I'm from Canada.
Oh, yes. What do you do there? Oh, yes. What do you do there?
I'm a sales manager for a small computer company. I'm a sales manager for a small computer company.
I see. I see. And where do you live? And where do you live?
In Vancouver. In Vancouver. It's a great place. It's a great place. You should visit sometime. You should visit sometime.
برای مکالمه های بیشتر خوشحال میشم منو دنبال کنی و بقیه ویدیوها رو هم ببینی.